second time at Radiance, and it is an amazing conference. Everyone really wants to be here. Everyone goes all in, whether it's the costume parties or really just being very engaged in the sessions. There's so many conferences you go to that people are there because they need to be there. People come to Radiance because they want to be at Radiance.
I think 𝗰𝘁 and HighRadius have this uncanny capability to combine learning and fun without making it cheesy. On the contrary, as is the case with every Radiance event that I've attended, I come out enriched with new insights, and the fact that it's happening in a cool environment is just gravy, right? And that's why I keep coming. I think this is a fabulous conference.
I think having real live speakers like myself come in and talk about their experience using HighRadius goes volumes in helping the company.